Hey, welcome back. Well, I've had this car for a couple of weeks now, and you know how it is when you get a used car or a new car, you just discover things later on after you've had it a while. Probably going to need a visor or two. Don't know that one inside anyway. And then over here, well, there isn't one. This looks broken. These are used ones from a wrecking yard. Okay, I'm going to work on this driver's side one first, and I've got a little star bit, I guess you'd call it. 3 screws in each of these. If you didn't know, the HHR, they ended up selling almost 527,000 of these over the course of 5 years, and discontinued it in 2011 because sales had dropped so much. 2006 and 2007 were the years that they sold the most of these. That'll work. Well, there's one. Moving on to the other side. They also come out with a HHR panel, and they did that in 2007, and in 2008 when they came out with the SS model, that came out with tire pressure monitoring as well. The standard engine was 2.2 liter, and the standard transmission in the 2.4 liter with the 4-speed automatic, and they're only 4-speed automatics without 5 speeds. Well, that job is done. Moving on to the next job. Don't exactly know what it's going to be, but I'm sure it will probably be more difficult than what I just did. So I want to thank everybody for subscribing. I want to thank everybody for watching. And until I get the next video up, this is Steve AZ711 saying, yep, bye for now. Got to get this car on the road.